In today's video, I'm going to show you how to drop a pin on Google Maps Mobile. First, open the Google Maps app on your smartphone. Next, find a location where you want to place a pin. You can move around the map by dragging and zooming in for a more precise location. Once you've found the spot, tap and hold on the location for a few seconds. A red pin will appear, marking that exact place on the map. After dropping the pin, you'll see additional options at the bottom of the screen. From there, you can get directions, save the location, share it with others, or view more details about the area. Dropping a pin is useful when an address isn't available or when you want to remember a specific meeting point, parking spot, or landmark. To remove the pin, simply tap elsewhere on the map or close the location card. That's it. Now you know how to drop a pin on Google Maps Mobile and use it to mark any location quickly and accurately. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.